growth, they get a bit of flowering right throughout it, and much better flowering anyway. So first, the obvious target, the disease. Get the next to go are cotton stems, which will rub each other, letting infections into the plant. Well, I've got quite a lot of cotton going on here. So we could take one piece of that out for the moment. And I still keep this, because that wasn't anything that we don't want to have. Like being doesn't jewellery, isn't it? I know. I'm going to step back and then take more out later. The worst thing is stepping back and thinking, I wish I could glue it back on. And because we want to give this solid plant an elegant shape, out go any twisted branches or any growing at a crazy angle. So we're starting now, to get a bit of shape. Look at it.